What's good, everybody? It's Top Flight Vending. Today we're gonna do a quick little video on a Royal vendor. We updated the lighting, switched it out to LEDs from the bulbs, and I'll show how it looks. So this is the light kit that we installed from Amazon. Comes with a remote. There's 2 light strips, sound activated, comes with the app. You can use all that stuff there. Not bad, about 20 bucks if you're interested. That's the one we used. As you know, if you have this machine, you'll encounter some problems with these bulbs here. Pretty expensive, about $127. It's the ballast here. So what we did was we spliced from the ballast here. We ran electrical socket, an outlet, female, and then we just did the plug and play LED. Ran it all the way across the top. We also ran it into the selection, so all the selections are lit up. That's the connections there. Goes through. There's the connections right there. Shout out to 360 Electricity. Came by and helped a hand. Appreciate it. Great work. Definitely recommend if you guys ever need them. I'll tag them down below. And I'll show you guys what it looks like at night. As you can see, finished product. We've got multiple selections of colors. Thanks for watching.